Hello everyone, my name is Samyullah and my teammates are Sivashrinath, Haripriya, Pratyusha. Today I am here to discuss our project on detection of adulterants in milk using IoT. Under the guidance of Dr. M. Padma Lalita, Professor and HOD of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. As we all know that nowadays demand for milk is increasing day by day because of the increasing population. Because of this reason, some of the suppliers are adopting adulterants in milk to eliminate the demand and supply gap. So we came up with IoT based solution to detect adulterants in milk by measuring its pH and also TDS parameters.
This is our project block diagram.
Kit. This is Arduino Uno, which is open source microcontroller board based on microchip Atmega 328P. The board is equipped with set of digital and analog input and output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards and other circuits. This is pH sensor. pH sensor helps to measure the milk acidity or alkaline of water or milk with the value between 0 to 14. pH value less than 7, then it is acidic. pH value greater than 7, then it is basic. This is pH sensor module, which is used to interface both Arduino Uno and pH sensor. Here you can see the pH sensor module. This is TDS sensor. It is used to solution to determine conductivity of water or milk, since dissolved ionized solids such as salts or minerals increase the conductivity of the solution. Range of TDS sensor is 0 to 1000 ppm. This is TDS sensor module, which is used to interface both Arduino Uno and TDS sensor. This is pH temperature sensor. It is an electronic device that measures the temperature of the milk and its environmental solution. This is Wi-Fi module. It is used to give any microcontroller access to our Wi-Fi network. It allows you to communicate via Wi-Fi with your sensor and or actuator mounted on your board to create easily and quickly your IoT system. Here you can see Wi-Fi module. This is 4x4 hexa keypad. Has a total 8 connections where 4 of them are connected to columns, remaining rows of the matrix of switches. In this we have used 3 buttons 1, 2, 3, which is 1 represents temperature sensor, 2 represent pH sensor value, 3 represent TDS sensor value. This is powerhouse, which is used to connect the extra number of pins which are not able to connect to the Arduino Uno, as its input or output pins are 14. So this powerhouse is very useful to connect extra number of pins. Here we connected pins, keypad pins and TDS module and pH module pin. This is LED screen, which is used to display the values of pH, TDS and temperature. This is program which is written in Arduino IDE software. Here we install all the libraries which are required to run the components. This is our code. This is the option where we are going to upload the program. By using this cable, we are connected our Arduino Uno and PC with this cable. We have already uploaded the code. After uploading the program, here you can see all the components are working on LED screen. This is milk. In this we have taken 30 ml and we have taken sample urea, which is 6 ml 10:2 ratio. Now we are going to mix urea in milk. Now we are mixing this sample with milk. After mixing urea in milk, now we are going to dip all the modules, pH sensor, TDS sensor and temperature sensor. After dipping all the components, now we are checking the values. By pressing 1, we get temperature value. By pressing 2, we get TDS value. By pressing 3, we get pH value. By pressing A, we get adulterated with urea. Now we need to clean all the sensor to dip in another sample to get the accurate results. Testing another samples which contain sugar. Temperature value, TDS value, pH value. Here you can see the value of the pH which is changing. Now we are going to test another milk sample which is contaminated with salt. Temperature value, TDS value, pH value. Here you can see the pH value which is changing. Now all the values of pH, TDS and temperature value is stored in UB.dot software. Here you can see the table values of pH and TDS of various processed milk samples. We tested pH value, temperature value, TDS value for different milk samples. Based on the results shown in table, the final result will be displayed in LCD according to the ranges of pH and TDS value. For example, pH value is between 10 to 10.5 and TDS value 765 to 775. Then the milk is adulterated with sugar. By pressing the key on the keypad, it will display sugar. It means that the milk is adulterated with sugar.